Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious salmon bites. First, let's talk about selecting the perfect salmon. Look for fresh, vibrant fillets, ideally about 1.5 inches thick, to ensure even cooking. You'll also need a few simple ingredients like olive oil, salt, pepper, and perhaps some garlic powder or paprika. Having everything ready before you start makes the process smooth and enjoyable, setting you up for culinary success. Now, let's get our salmon ready for cooking. Begin by patting your salmon fillets completely dry with paper towels. This helps achieve a beautiful crust. Next, carefully cut the salmon into uniform 1-inch to 1.5-inch cubes. Consistency and size is key for even cooking. Finally, in a bowl, gently toss the salmon pieces with about 1 tablespoon of olive oil and your preferred seasonings, ensuring every bite is well coated and flavorful. It's time to cook these tasty bites. You have a few great options. For a quick and crispy result, air fry them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 minutes, flipping halfway. If baking, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for 10 to 12 minutes. Alternatively, pan-sear them in a hot skillet with a little oil for 2 to 3 minutes per side until they're beautifully golden and cooked through. Once your salmon bites are perfectly cooked, it's time to enjoy them. For the absolute best flavor and texture, serve them immediately while they are warm and tender. A simple squeeze of fresh lemon juice brightens the taste beautifully, or you could offer a creamy dill sauce for dipping. These versatile bites are fantastic as a quick appetizer or as the star of your meal alongside a fresh green salad or roasted vegetables.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.